massacre.
Oh dear, I am in a real pickle. I was forced to join this team by a group of other birds I don't even know, and they are a team planning to end humanity. How do I ever get out of this? I need to help K.A.D and his friends stop this.
Okay, guys, so we made it to our lair in Arkansas. Now we can plan our route of our diabolical plans. Soon enough, the world will be ours for the taking. And no more human distractions. Only birds and feathers galore.
Oh, guys, has anyone seen Duck around here? He should have came back with us before. Oh, fully! Now we are down one bird short. However, has killed my duck companion. They will get it big time.
This is just great. We are down one bird short, and we need to relay on our new recruit Pigeon to step up. Pigeon? Pigeon!
Oh, nothing. Yes, nothing.
Are you doing okay? Do you need to pee or something?
Actually, yes! I gotta go to the bathroom. Well, I gotta go, you guys. Be back in a jiffy. Whew, that was close. I was able to get away from them for a second. But now I have to think. I need to find something suspicious they are planning and show it to my friends and the police so we can stop them before they take over the world. Wait a second. What's this? Oh my God! This here shows not only what they plan to do now, but they are going to send Jupiter to Earth, and it will destroy the Earth, and they will restore the Earth and turn it into their own bird paradise, without any humans. Oh no, I gotta show this to my friends! Wait! No! No, 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 no! This is not what it looks like!
So, you found out plans, did you? Well, good for you, old friend. But the bad news is, I can't let you go and warn everyone about this situation. You know it's against the rules, so come with us.
You guys may have the upper hand in this, but I am different from all other birds. I may be begging to ride the bus, but that doesn't mean I can't be nice mostly, even if I don't get what I want. But I don't want this to go this way.
Noot, noot! So the city pooping and begging bird thinks he can take us on and escape? Well, fat chance pigeon, you will not stop us, not when our plans are just beginning.
Wait, you can talk?
Of course I can talk. I just kept it a secret from everyone during my episode airings. But anyways, Pigeon, we are giving you one last chance to forget about warning your friends and join us for our diabolical plans. And maybe you can have all the free hot dogs you'll want afterwards.
Oh, shut up with the gosh darn bribery, you pea-filled winged beast!
Pea-filled?
Yes, I maybe had a pea-related situation in one episode, but forget about it.
Now, step aside, you feathered, weak bladder, white-hatted, web-feet, flying doofuses, because I am not going to be stopped, and y'all will pay for your crimes, and justice will be served.
So he thinks he's slick, huh? Well, he may be able to run as fast as his feet can carry, but not from us. Because our plans are only just beginning to unfold.
Pingu! Does it ever occur to you that I feel like we are in a situation where the world conquers get thwarted, while emergency alerts come on TV?
Pigeon, Don't break the fourth wall.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my gosh. How am I ever gonna find Pigeon? I literally had to get all the way over to Arkansas a few miles, and me and Doodle Kane hadn't even found him yet.
K.A.D, over here!
Wait a second. Pigeon, is that you? Pigeon!
Okay, dude, listen to me. We don't have much time, but I've found out the plans that these birds have to conquer Earth.
Wait, you do? Please, tell me.
Let me give you the rundown. It's said that they plan to create the world's longest and strongest rope from chains. And they are gonna set it to a huge grapple launcher. And they are gonna wrap Jupiter with it and pull it towards our planet.
Oh my gosh. What are we gonna do? Like, they probably could have gotten the rope already by now. Like, they could probably be assembling the grapple launcher and... Yeah. How are we gonna stop this?
I don't know. But first things first, we gotta go back to our friends and tell them and possibly tell the police to warn everyone in the world.
Yeah, that seems like a very good idea. I'll go ahead and contact my friend Doodle K.A.D and tell him I found you, and we'll meet him back at our house when we get there.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. This is not a test. We have some very serious news to share with the rest of the world. So as of June 23, 2026, Pigeon, one of the members of the Birds group, was found out to be a friend of a familiar team, the K.A.Ds. He was trying to escape the group to go back to his friends and warn them about the situation and the plans that the birds have to end humanity. According to the Pigeon, the birds plan to gather all the chains they could and tie it to a huge rope launcher and pull Jupiter toward us, therefore ending humanity as we know it and making the Earth their own for all birds combined and no humans to distract them. As of now, the K.A.Ds have found out that the birds have gotten the chains already and they are currently working on the grappler as of now. But everyone is advised to stay vigilant and await further instructions.
Baby.
Oh yeah! When's it coming, Mummy?
Oh, sorry, Pepper. The baby's not due until next week.
Evacuate now. Evacuate now. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lawrence County Sheriff's Office. The Lawrence County Sheriff's Office has reported that the K.A.Ds is in Arkansas. Now it has been reported that they are dangerous creatures posing a threat to public safety. The reason this is happening is that the K.A.Ds went to find their friend the Pigeon, who we also knew, who was forced to be in the team. The Pigeon told them that he found the plans the birds have to conquer Earth. They are going to gather all the chains they can and make a huge grappler launcher and pull Jupiter straight towards Earth to make the humans extinct, and they can kill civilians in their path. This is a dangerous situation. Evacuate immediately. Gather supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, chargers, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. Tie a white towel to let civil authorities know that you have evacuated. Stay tuned for more information.
Let's get back to our house and leave Mummy and Daddy to it, shall we?
But I want to stay and help with the baby.
I'm sorry, Peppa, but this could take hours.
Okay, guys, we just made it back here together. So now we need to think, how are we gonna stop these birds from taking over the world this way?
I really don't know, guys. I mean, I am the mastermind. Mastermind, sorry, I almost messed that up. Well, anyways, I mean, even I would be able to know how to deal with situations like this.
Okay, I'm gonna go on a limb here. I don't think we can just do an all-out assault on them. Because even though there's like 5 of us, I'm sure they still have an upper hand. We need to be stealthy about this.
Agreed. We also need to take it slow, so they won't suspect a thing. And 2, we need to do it fast, before they complete their preparations.
Wait a second. Guys, I think I might have the answer. Oh, you do, Doodle K.A.D? What is it? Okay. So what I'm going to try to do is, I feel like Red and Donald Duck, they're probably going to be easy pickings for us. Because I'm certain Pingu and Quack are probably the hardest for us to interrogate and everything. But Donald Duck and Red, they seem to be like just complete newbies around there. So I feel like we should probably kidnap them in some sort of way, and then we take them out whenever we get the chance.
Alright, I'm game.
Alright, and I think I know just what I should do first. Perfect. Nothing can beat hypnosis. Hey guys, I captured Red. Guys? Guys? Wait, what's this right here? Should I be worried? Oh, I just got a new notification. Hey Siri, read new message.
Reading new message from K.A.D. Hey K.A.D, get over here fast. We've been captured by Donald and sent out his house. It was heard that he just decided he didn't want to be part of the excitement and leave it to Quack and Pingu, which is good for us to take him out, but you need to save us regardless of you capturing Red or not. If so, try to do something so he stays out cold. Would you like to reply?
Yes, Siri, sent out a reply. Okay, guys, I am on my way there right now. Hang tight. Okay. Well, this has gone out of hand. But I do have to be quick about this. Not because that Red could wake back up any moment or something, but Quack and Pingu might have finished the grapple launcher and could be trying to set the coordinates to Jupiter. I gotta be quick.
Strawberry yogurt. America the country, not me, America.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Arkansas Emergency Management Agency. This is an update from the situation with the cartoon characters from a few hours ago. K.A.D's Doodle self-captured Red, and when he returned to his friend's residence, they were gone, because Donald kidnapped them, and sent them back to his house. So Doodle K.A.D is sent back to rescue them, and capture Donald too. They are urging residents to stay vigilant in the basics, like a pingu or quack break-in. Use armed protection at all costs as the situation has been worsened. Seek shelter immediately. If you don't have a shelter, evacuate now. Tie a white towel to let civil authorities know you have evacuated. Stay tuned for more information.
Marvel Madness continues next on FX. Look.
Oh man, how long did it take me to walk over here? There you are, Doodle K.A.D. What took you so long? Oh, hey guys, finally found you. Yes, okay. But look, we can't talk too much. Just read this. Don't you worry, you guys. And because of that letter, I think I know what to do.
A few moments later.
Which records a total blackout. Blackout?
Perfect.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, guys, I took care of him. Now, it's time for me to free out. Yes, thank you, Doodle King, but can we discuss about the situation? I just cannot believe that these birds are just out of hand and just want to end humanity. Like, come on, they are just cartoon characters. What bad can they ever? Can we just move along? I just want to get this part over with so I can continue on the next part. Time skip. Oh, well, perfect timing. Someone is calling me and... Wait, it's some... I don't know who's calling me right now. Hello? Wait, Christian the Creator? Alice Aguilar? And... But Baltimore? What are you guys calling me for? Wait. They're what now? Okay, we'll meet you guys there.
What's going on?
Guys, you guys are going to be absolutely stunned when I tell y'all guys this. So, my YouTube friends, Christian, Alice, and Baltimore, they came to tell me that they learned that Pingu and Quack were fed up with you taking the Red and Donald out, that they're sending a nuke to UK.
No, are you serious?
Yes, which means we need to hurry back to Arkansas and stop them before things get much worse. I sure hope that UK will be okay from the dangers that they're going to have.
We interrupt regular programming to bring you a message from Her Majesty's government. Please stand by and await further information. We interrupt regular programming to bring you a message from Her Majesty's government. Please stand by and await further information. We interrupt regular programming to bring you a message from Her Majesty's government. Please stand by and await further information. This is an emergency warning from the BBC. Information of a possible nuclear strike against this country has been received. The current threat level is critical, meaning an attack is imminent. Civilians are advised to stay in their homes. Evacuations are currently taking place in the London, Manchester, Birmingham and Leeds areas. If you are in these areas, police will lead you to safety. Follow their orders without question. If you are not in these areas, you should stay at home unless police tell you otherwise. All non-essential telephone lines have been disconnected for military use. You should begin your preparations for the strike. Collect 14 days' worth of essential supplies such as food, water, medicine and clothing. Ensure you have a battery-powered radio with a change of batteries for the duration of the sheltering period to ensure you can listen to information and the all clear. Nuclear strikes create fallout, deadly dust which will spread for hundreds of miles and will affect everyone in this country, no matter how rural the area they live in. This deadly dust will cause radiation sickness followed by death. You are advised to build an inner refuge in the lowest and most central part of your home, as far away from external doors and windows as possible. Use non-flammable materials, such as doors, tables, chairs, and use bags or cases of sand to bulk out the shelter. You and your family should remain in this shelter for the majority of the 14-day period you will remain at home. You will be unable to leave your fallout room. Collect water now. Water services will be disconnected to prevent major fallout contamination, and if you do not collect water now you will not be able to collect it during the sheltering period. Collect approximately 3.5 pints of water per person per day. Nuclear explosions have three main effects: extreme heat, extreme light, and a shock wave blast. People in major cities which are likely to be targets are being evacuated as the explosion will destroy anything in its path for at least 5 miles. The areas in which police will be unable to evacuate everyone, a siren will sound to alert you that you are potentially in the blast radius and evacuate to safety. Those that do not hear a siren should not evacuate as they are not in the blast zone and should spend time constructing an inner refuge. We can now confirm the trajectories of the missiles. They are London, Manchester, Birmingham, Leeds, Glasgow and Bristol. If you are in or within a 10-mile radius of these cities, evacuate now. Failure to do so will result in certain death. NATO is now in discussion with various nations to discuss what action should be taken against the Soviet Union. France and the United States are preparing for counter-strikes. The Queen will make a speech after the strike.